Okay, welcome to our screencast of walking you through how to make a website. So here we're making a Golden Age website, and it's actually super easy when we use Google Sites. You want to head over to your email, and then this little icon there. You're going to click on that. You're going to scroll down to the one that says Sites. All right. So don't just Google Sites. You have to make sure that you are connected to your HKS Gmail. I click on it, and there's a bunch of other sites that I've made. You just want to click on Create. You want to click on New Sites. Those classic sites are a little boring. Let's go with the new site. There we go. And from here, it's pretty much you are taking your information from your research and your Golden Age paragraph and any images that you've collected of artifacts and relevant information, and you're pretty much putting that onto the website. All right, so you are not going to be adding any additional pages, and all we're really going to be doing, first I'm going to add a text box right there, and I'm going to go to my paragraph. I'm going to get my introduction, and just going to copy that. I'm going to come back, paste it in, boom, excellent, look at that, I already got my intro. Now I'm going to add this one right here. And you're going to actually do that 3 times, all right? But first, I'm just going to show you. This is where I have my first kind of example or my first reason that helps to illustrate my Golden Age, all right? And in my paragraph, I was talking about in America that there was a big emphasis on electric cars, and the Prius is one of the big artifacts from that time period. So when I want to add an image, I click on plus. Now if you have your own images, that's fine, but it's so easy just to say select image, search, and in this case I was searching for an image of a Prius, and what do you know, there were a ton of them. All right, and so I'm just going to take that one right there, click select. All right, and if I wanted to edit it, I could, but really that's fine. Click in there, I'm going to give it a title. These are electric cars. And then inside here, again, I go to my paragraph. I find my information that I wrote. And go to right there. Copy that. Paste it in. Okay? And you're pretty much going to do that 2 more times. Click on there, click on it 1 more time, follow that same information, okay, for the other parts of your paragraph, and you're done. The only thing that I didn't tell you was give it a name, Golden Age, and if you wanted to add a logo or anything like that, you can click on there, and that's how I got my American flag that I put on there. Okay. That's pretty much it for your page, and then when you're ready, click Publish. And again, it's going to be going to your school one, but you do want to open it up so that everyone can get to it. So I clicked on Manage, and then I changed it to anyone can find it there. Okay. And say Done, Publish. And you can view it. And there you go. All right, and of course you'll give your website a title as well. And when you're done, you're going to put this URL into a discussion on Schoology there in social studies, because we're all going to check out each other's website, and then you get 1 time travel token to decide if you could go back in time, which Golden Age would you like to go back to, and we'll see who gets the most votes. All right, if you have any questions, ask them in the comment section for the assignment.